Guys, here's an oldie but a goodie. I picked this up from my mom's house. It's our old computer, circa 1995. It's a Macintosh Performa 6200 CD, and this thing was the shit back then, back before Macs were ever hip and trendy. This is like the powerhouse with the PowerPC chip, blazing 75 megahertz of fury, 40 megs RAM. I think this had a 1 gig hard drive, but it was just a beast. So what? It's like 17, 18 years old now. I don't even know if it's gonna start up, but we're gonna try. We're gonna see what happens because I want to see. I'm curious. It doesn't really matter anyways because tomorrow we're gonna blow this thing apart with guns. But just wanted to see if it would start up. So I got it all hooked up and let's see what we got. Monitor powers up. Wow. This is old school. This thing has probably not been started in at least, I don't even know, 10 years. Over that. This is old. Wow. Booted right up. Power Mac. Don't mess with that. See if I can tweak it so you can see the screen a little better. Yeah, computers booted up really fast back then. While this is booting, I'm gonna go grab a beer. Yeah. Well, we're a little ways there. We're getting there. I'm curious to see if there's anything even on this thing still. Halfway. It's so crazy to think like how fast computers were back then. We just thought they were amazing. 75 megahertz is like, my phone is 10 times faster than this and it has a dual core. I mean, it's crazy. We're almost, whoa, what was that? This thing's gonna blow up. Almost there. Apparently our clock is not set to the right time. Still booting. There we go. I don't even know how to use Macs anymore. Apparently we have 597 megabytes available. Yep, 40 gigs. Or I'm sorry, 40 megabytes of memory. Mac OS 8. Vintage. I don't think there's really much on here. I think we kind of wiped it out before we retired it. Oh, what do you... Ooh, Netscape. Oh, Photoshop 5.0. Used to do a lot of graphics on this. Photoshop 5.0. Before this, we had a Mac SE30. That was even more old school. All black and white, floppy disk only. We had Photoshop on that back when it was just black and white. And who knows what version that was, so I've been using it forever. PowerPC. Wow, this is just crazy. Everything takes like 5 minutes to boot up. That's what I call speed. Oh, good old Photoshop. What else we got? Illustrator, PageMaker, Quark Express, Netscape. Just a bunch of junk. Nothing really on here. Good. Oh, Warcraft 2? Oh, it must not be installed. I remember all the games I used to play on this. Spectre VR, all the marathons, Bolo. I mean, give me a like or comment below if you guys remember any old school Mac games you used to play that were just awesome. I used to love Spectre and Bolo. Marathon. If you know, all these people play Halo these days, but they don't know the true, like, where it all began. Like, Marathon was like the best shooter ever, and it came out on Mac first. It was awesome. And then Bungie was gonna make Halo, which was originally supposed to be Macintosh only, and they just Microsoft bought them out for Xbox. I remember reading that, and I just raged out because I was so looking forward to it for Macintosh. No documents. QuickTime, old school. Oh, we have 1,000 colors, an amazing resolution of 640 by 480, blowing minds. Nothing in the trash can. So yeah, I'm surprised this thing started at all, but it appears to be working. Whoa, CD-ROM drive works. Everything's working. It's just really old and kind of useless now. So that's why tomorrow we're gonna retire it and place, and it's gonna go up into heaven with Steve Jobs because we're gonna blow this thing apart with shotguns and stuff. So make sure you guys tune back and check that out. Like the video, comment below if you have an old Mac or the old Macs that you used to have. Thanks for watching.